Hi everyone, today I am trying this TikTok trending recipe. It's baked feta pasta. It's a very easy recipe. Let's see how it turns out. We will start by adding cherry tomatoes and 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic. To this we will add salt and pasta seasoning and olive oil. Mix this all together so that all the tomatoes are well coated. Next we will take a big block of feta and put it in the middle of the tomatoes. Now drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle some more seasoning. You can also add some red pepper flakes if you want it to be spicy. Now bake it in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Take it out and start mashing it. To this add chopped basil and boiled pasta. Now mix everything together and our pasta is ready. Let's try it. This is really good and super easy to make. Do give it a try. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.